So this video will give an overview on ER model attributes. ER model, we know it is the entity relationship model, and the various classes of attributes exists in ER model are: first one, simple attribute. Simple attribute cannot be subdivided. The example for simple attribute is age, sex, marital status. Composite attribute. It can be further subdivided to yield additional attribute. For example, in address, you have the street, city, state, pin code. That is zip code. So you can further that divided into state as a subdivision, city as a subdivision, and state as a subdivision. You can store that as a separate field also. Similarly, in case of phone number, you can have that area code and exchange number, and or the type of the mobile connection you are having. For that, the first three digits will informs you about the connectivity, from where you got the connectivity. Then the branch code, region code. After that, will be having your phone number. So these two are example for composite attributes. Next one is single valued attributes. Single value attributes can have only one value. For example, if you say the ID of a student, it is a unique. It has only single value. For your register number, you know that your register number is starts with the 23, the year in which you entered the college. And if you're studying in UG, then you will have U. Then other two letters will say informs about the course in which you have studied or enrolled, CS. Then the normal roll number starts 0102 up to how many students are there in a class, you will have the numbers. So it is unique. Similarly, for a person, you can have only one special social security number, similar to that of your Aadhaar number. That is unique. And in case of manufactured part, can have only one serial number. For any product, the serial number is unique. So that is an example for single valued attribute. If it comes under multi-valued attributes means a person may have several college degrees. He studied UG in one college and PG in another college, and then other courses he can do in some other colleges, diploma courses, and any PhD, postdoctoral, and fellow. Uh, they can do at different colleges or institution. So that is a multi-valued attribute. The column name is education or qualification, but the institution where they might have studied, the courses which they have studied will vary. Similarly, the household may have several phones with the different numbers. In the same house, if and if there are two or three persons lives, uh, they can have one landline number, and then each will hold a single phone numbers. So in a single homes, you have so many phone numbers. That is also an example for multi-value attributes. And nowadays, if you see, every persons they will have a phone with the two SIM cards. So two numbers are there. Multi-value attributes are shown by a double line connecting to the entity. So the relational DBMS cannot implement multi-value attribute, and how the multi-value attribute will had an impact means create a new entity that is composed of the original multi-value attribute component. So how it has been splitted. For example, you can see, take a car. Car ID number, it is a key attribute. For a car, you can have the manufacturer year, top color, car in color, body color, and model code will be there. So this we can split like this. Car is an entity. It has color. Color may be color of the section, color of the color section, color column, and the card ID number. Okay, like this. And next one is derived attribute. Derived attribute is not physically stored within the database. Instead, it is derived by using an algorithm. The best example is if the date of birth is given for a person, you can derive age. So this is the best example.